CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in the space that has done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I have seen what's printing me money and what is not, especially just some briefly overlooking Circle Internet group. I had like 4 predictions on this, and all I have to tell you is that out of 4, 1 was a break-even. 3 of them have been wins. Like, I started making the prediction on this. Oh, what the heck is this even, bro? Okay, here it is. Here's the proof. It was like 76 bucks at the time, I believe. It was 76, 98, 77. Looking to take it to like 104 just 2 weeks ago. Since then, got on a break even, 1 more long, and this is the most recent prediction that I had. Here is the literal proof. Right there, $151.10. This is just a day ago. And since this delivery, all I can tell you is that I'm looking to just double down like crazy. So here's the top now. Yes, this has delivered. And unless I see the price in sort of way, you know, pulling down and giving me some sort of a double break, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. That's totally fine. Like, not everything is supposed to be bought. Very simple. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you do want to learn how I make 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free email.